If you are seeing the error, your message couldn't be delivered in Outlook, it usually means something is blocking your email from going through. Here are the fastest ways to fix it. Number one, check the recipient email. Start with the simplest issue. Make sure the email address is spelled correctly. Even a small type like a missing dot or letter can cause delivery failure. So, if you have a missing letter like in Gmail or at Yahoo, you just have to change it and add the missing letter. Number two, look at the error code. Open the bounce back message. If you see codes like 550, 551, 554, it usually means the recipient doesn't exist, the domain is blocked, or the message is flagged as spam. Number three, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt sending. Try switching Wi Fi networks or restarting your router. Then resend the email. Number four, reduce email size. Outlook may block large attachments. If you are sending files, keep attachments under 20 to 25 megabytes or upload them to OneDrive and share the link instead. Number 5, disable add-ins. This is an important fix. Sometimes Outlook add-ins cause sending errors. To disable them, go to File, Options, Add-ins, click COM add-ins, go. Uncheck all add-ins and restart Outlook. Try sending again. Check your account settings. If your password is changed or your account needs re-authentication, go to File, Account Settings, re-enter your password, or remove and re-add your email account. Number 7. Try web version of Outlook. Go to Outlook on the browser and send the email from there. If it works, the issue is with your desktop app, not your account. Still not working? Your email may be temporarily blocked by Microsoft for spam-like activity. Wait a few hours and avoid sending multiple emails quickly. Conclusion: most Outlook delivery errors come from simple issues like incorrect email addresses, attachments, or account sync problems. Follow these steps and your emails should start sending normally again. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.